In the circuit shown, find the load impedance that transfer the maximum power to the load, and we need to determine the value of P max. Here we can have one current source and this resistance is having value 3 ohm. Here we need to find out ZL so that maximum power will transfer from source to load. We know at maximum power, load impedance is the complex conjugate of source impedance, that is Rs plus jXs conjugate. So in order to find out source impedance, we need to find Thevenin's equivalent network corresponding to this network. So first of all, we can remove this load impedance, mark the open circuit terminals as A and B. This is the circuit after removing ZL from this branch. Here the open circuit terminals is A and B. Here we need to find out Thevenin's equivalent voltage, that is nothing but voltage across the open circuit terminals VAB, that is the source voltage. Here as the current flowing through J4 is 0, VAB is the voltage drop across 3 ohm. As this is current source, the entire current will flow through this 3 ohm. So what is VTH? VTH is equal to 4 angle 0 into 3. So VTH, that is Vs, can be obtained as 12 angle 0 volt. Next step is to find out Thevenin's equivalent impedance. In order to obtain Thevenin's equivalent impedance, we need to remove all the current source. That is, replace current source by its internal impedance. It can be made to 0 by open circuiting. So a corresponding equivalent circuit, only this part will come. So what is impedance seeing across A and B under that condition if current source is not available there? It is 3 plus J4. So after obtaining Vs and Zs, we can draw the Thevenin's equivalent network. Here Vs is obtained as 12 angle 0 and Zs is obtained as 3 plus J4. And across these open circuit terminals, we can connect load impedance having value ZL. In question, it is asked to find the condition for maximum power from source to load. In order to transfer maximum power, the condition is ZL is equal to Rs minus jXs. So answer to the first part is the load impedance that transfer the maximum power to load is ZL is equal to 3 minus J4. So corresponding to P max, load impedance should be complex conjugate of this one, that is 3 minus J4. Under that condition, P max is equal to Vs square divided by 4Rs. Substituting the value of Vs and Rs, we can obtain P max as 12 watt. Next problem is, we need to determine the maximum power delivered to the load from source. Here we can have one current source 50 angle 0 ampere. What is the maximum power transfer from source to load? That we need to determine. Just like earlier problem, first of all, we need to remove this ZL from the circuit and mark the open circuit terminals A and B. Then corresponding to that network, we need to find Thevenin's equivalent network. In order to find out VAB, first of all, we need to find the current flowing through this path. VTH is equal to voltage across 3 plus J4. So in order to find out that one, we need to find the current flowing through 3 plus J4 ohm. That is I 3 plus J4 into 3 plus J4 gives VAB or Thevenin's equivalent voltage. In order to obtain I 3 plus J4, we need to apply current division rule. So what is current division rule? Here the main current is the source current itself, that is 50 angle 0. So main current into other branch impedance, that is minus J10, divided by total impedance in this parallel circuit, that is minus J10 plus 5 minus J6 plus 3 plus 4J into this impedance, that is 3 plus 4J. So simplifying, we can obtain this part as 50 angle 0 minus J10 all divided by 8 minus J12 into 3 plus J4. When we are substituting these values in calculator, we can obtain the value of source voltage or Thevenin's equivalent voltage as 173.35 angle 28.7 volt. In order to obtain Thevenin's equivalent impedance, we need to see the impedance across the open circuit terminals while making current source to zero. We know how to make current source to zero. Current source can be made to zero by open circuiting. Corresponding equivalent circuit is this one. So when we are seeing this circuit, we can see that this 3 plus J4 is in parallel with this series combination, that is 5 minus J16. Simplifying, we can obtain the answer for ZS as 4.65 plus J 3.48, which is in rectangular form. When we are converting that into polar form, we can obtain ZS or Thevenin's equivalent impedance as 5.81 angle 36.8 ohm. Now we can have Thevenin's equivalent voltage, that is Vs as 173.35 angle 28.7 volt, and Thevenin's equivalent impedance, that is Zs as 5.81 angle 36.8 ohm or 4.65 plus J 3.48 ohm. Next step is, based on this value, we need to draw the Thevenin's equivalent network. So this is the Thevenin's equivalent network, that is any linear bilateral network with output terminals A and B can be replaced by a voltage source in series with an impedance. This is the Thevenin's equivalent network. Into that network we are connecting a load impedance ZL. So here we need to determine the maximum power delivered to this load. So in order to transfer maximum power to the load impedance should be the complex conjugate of source impedance. This is the source impedance. The conjugate of this one is 4.65 minus J 3.48 ohm. And corresponding Pmax can be obtained by means of this equation Vs square divided by 4Rs. Here the magnitude of Vsc is 173.35 and Rsc is 4.65. Substituting these values in this equation, we can obtain maximum power in this circuit as 1616 watt.